Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering both devices and eliminating interference. This saves time. Replace batteries, turn the TV on, and stand close so signals stay strong. Once done, point the GE remote at the TV and clear any paired device modes by pressing and holding the setup or mode key until the indicator blinks. Make sure ambient lights or objects aren't blocking line of sight because infrared needs a clear path. You're now ready to enter the automatic code search. You engage the remote's code search feature to avoid manual codes. First, press and hold setup until the light blinks, then press the TV mode button so the remote knows you're programming the television. Next, press and hold the power button. The remote will transmit codes in sequence. Watch the TV closely. When it turns off or reacts, release the power and press setup to save that code. Make sure to test volume and input functions right after saving to verify full control. You finish by verifying every essential function works so you don't repeat steps later. Test power, volume, input, and mute. If a function fails, immediately rerun the automatic search because sometimes the first match misses secondary codes. If nothing ever responds, move closer, 3 to 5 feet, and replace batteries. Infrared strength matters. As a fallback, reset the remote by removing batteries for 10 seconds, reinsert them, and repeat the code search. This usually resolves stubborn pairing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.